What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. Do you know how to read and understand your credit report? Knowing what is on your credit report is crucial for responsible credit utilization. Here's how to comprehend a credit report's contents and significance. Your credit report is not entirely comprised of your credit score. If you check more closely, you'll be able to understand why you could have been rejected a loan, determine whether or not someone has fraudulently applied for a loan using your identity, and learn how certain things might be influencing your credit. Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax all obtain data on the status of your accounts from your creditors. Your credit history and recent credit activities are included in this data. They assess how big of a danger you are to them based on this information. The quantity of credit you will receive from the lenders as well as the interest rate they are ready to offer will then be decided. In addition to insurance agencies, mobile phone providers, and even some employers, a landlord could also check your credit history to assess any potential risks. These factors make it crucial to be aware of everything that is contained in your credit report. Let's examine the contents of your credit report and why they are important. The average consumer credit report is divided into 6 categories. Section 1. Your personal information. Your social security number, full name, birth date, present and previous residences, and phone number might all be listed in this area. It's critical to amend any inaccurate information with the credit bureau or submit a dispute to have it changed. If you discover wrong information about an account, get in touch with the creditor who made the report and request that they make an update to the relevant credit agency with the updated information. Section 2. Employment history. Depending on the situation, this may or may not fall under personal information. You can register a dispute if you discover obsolete or inaccurate information here, although it often isn't that significant. Your identity will most likely be verified using this information. Section 3. Consumer statements. Any disputes you've filed with the credit bureau are recorded in this area. This part would describe how and why you disagree with the information on your credit report if you had a dispute and the investigation had turned up nothing. Section 4. Account information. The details related to your account are contained here. It displays your credit usage, payment history, the status of your loan payments, closed and open accounts, the dates on which the accounts were opened or closed, and your most recent account balance. This part also indicates if you are making timely, complete payments on your bills or whether you have a past due account that has been turned over to collections. It's critical to keep up with your payments since this information might remain on your record for 7 years until the credit agency removes it. Additionally, it's crucial to keep an eye out for the following mistakes that are frequently seen on credit reports. Accounts that you did not make. This may be a sign of identity theft. Accounts that have the same name as you but are not yours. Unreliable or incorrect payment history. A debt or credit limit that is erroneous. Incorrect information that has already been fixed but was re-entered. Section 5. Public records. Foreclosures, tax liens, bankruptcies, and civil judgments could all be included in this section. Your credit score may be lowered by all of these. Section 6. Inquiries. Your credit score may be lowered by hard queries. After someone applies for credit in your name, these queries become visible. If you discover an unauthorized hard query on your credit report, it may be a sign of identity theft. You may get unlawful inquiries removed from your credit report by raising a dispute. Many individuals utilize the free website annualcreditreport.com to check their credit, but it does not offer credit ratings. You may purchase your credit reports and scores straight from each credit agency. This includes your FICO score, which is what the majority of lenders use. There are several other businesses that can provide you with a 3-bureau credit report that includes the entire TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax reports. You can raise your credit score and keep an eye out for fraud and identity theft by understanding your credit report. We advise registering in a credit monitoring service to notify you of any changes to your score or account information as well as routinely reviewing your credit report for inaccuracies. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.